Hello, critical care nurses. If you're the kind of person who thrives on challenges, loves pushing boundaries, and is always looking for ways to level up your skills, then this is for you. The 21st Emirates Critical Care Conference is just around the corner, and trust me, this is one event you don't want to miss. Think of it as your annual upgrade, where you'll dive into the latest breakthroughs, cutting-edge techs, and game-changing strategies that are shaping the critical care future. Here's what is it for you. You will learn from the best by hearing from global experts who are leading the critical care innovation. You will have hands-on insights by getting practical tips and tools you can take straight back to your unit. You will connect and collaborate by meeting fellow nurses and specialists who share your passion for making a difference. Grab your spot and let's make this year's conference unforgettable. See you there.